How to change language in PowerPoint. First thing you have to do is make sure that your PowerPoint is opened, and from here what you want to do is tap on the file icon at the top left. Just click on it. Now if you want to change language, head over to options right below on the left side of your screen, and then from here you'll find different options. So you're going to go ahead and click on this language section, just tap on language, and right now I only have English. So if you want to add a language, you're just going to have to click on it. So click on add a language, and you will be able to see all different languages, and from this list you can choose out any of the language that you want to add. So let's say if I want to add this Malay from Malaysia, click on it and then click on add. Now once you've done that, this is available. So you could also do the same for the first option. Click on add a language and then scroll down and do the same thing. Click on it and then click on install, and now click on OK, and then the new language will be added. That's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.